Shalom, shalom. What's going on? Wait for y'all to get up in here. I'm gonna wait for y'all to get up in here. You know what I mean? Y'all already see the title, god damn it. You know. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? One watching, two watching. Yeah. Give some more time, some more people to go come up in here. Give some more time for people to join. You know what I mean? What's up, two people? Three people? What's going on, three people? You know what I'm talking about? Man, I can't stand stupid bitches. They ride my bone. You know what I mean? These people coming out with more schemes this year.
Yeah.
What's going on?
What's up? What's up?
Just talking about these hoes.
Oh, as usual, man. They the main enemy.
I hear you, Smokey 2K92 say he here to learn some good game.
Oh, we got some learning stuff for you, all right.
God damn it, we sure do today. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
it's gonna be
Hey,
a good one.
hey man, you know what I realized the three people up in this room?
What up?
That my baby mamas didn't ever love me. They were some dirty motherfuckers.
Man, you done told the biggest truth of all time.
They my enemies, dog. I mean, we can't be friends, dog.
Man, they turning people over to the plantation, man.
To the plantation on. Man, we gonna talk about jurisdiction, schemes, and what are the rules to this court game? What are the rules to the game, aka court? You know what I mean?
Right. All right, let me pull you up here.
We got four people. You know what I mean?
What's up, folk people?
Hell yeah. What's going down?
Yeah, get some more people in here.
No,
Man, I
y'all.
just came back. What's that?
I said I know they getting out of work ready. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, I just came back from the bookstore, man. Had to get another heritage dictionary, man. Something I've been wanting for a while.
That's what's up. That's what's up. I got two of them. What's going
Yeah.
on, brother Dion in the house? Mr. Blue in the house. What's going on? Shit, we're gonna have us some fucking fun today. We're gonna talk about these hoes too with their stinking asses.
Yes,
They don't
sir.
they don't bathe. That's why they run down there. You know what I mean? Let me tell y'all something. You know, Asian people don't use child support. They see it as a shameful thing.
Yep.
And you got these a lot of these black bitches and Mexican bitches and a few of this old white trash that you would say, or go down there and fuck over your inheritance, your legacy, fellas. You know what I mean? They don't believe them other cultures don't believe it. Hindu people and Asian people don't fuck with the child support, but they'll help throw your ass in jail by the help of that black bitch, that Mexican bitch, and that white bitch. You know what I mean? Because that's what's
Mm-hmm.
on that shit. You know. But yeah,
Check
man,
out, folks.
we finna enter this thing. We're gonna go on and start talking about jurisdiction. Fuck it. We don't need a whole bunch of sucker ass niggas in the first place. Shit, we got four isn't enough, god damn it. But
They'll be on after the fact. You know what I mean?
hey, how many niggas did it take to fuck this people into existence? Huh?
Who in the comment section want to answer that?
Shalom. Who wanna
Peace,
answer that?
peace.
Tell them the names, my brother.
Hold on, I'm trying to see. Loading. There we go. Loading on my screen here. All right. All right.
Angus
What? What?
Kong. Angus Kong is one of them, man.
Oh, Genghis Khan. Man, look, we all got a little Genghis Khan blood in us.
Yeah, man. Cause I'm gonna tell you something with the army say. The army say all they need is a few good men. You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
Every man on this planet, he ain't a man. And these hoes know who to play with. You know what I mean?
Right. Right. Right.
And I'm gonna confess to you, fellas, I used to try to be the simp thing, try to be in love and shit. You know what I mean? But that shit didn't work. But let's get to the jurisdiction.
All
Y'all
right. All
ready
right.
for the jurisdiction? Let
Yeah.
me
Ready
tell you
for
how they
that?
got, I'm gonna tell you how y'all got jurisdiction over these child support cases. And this ain't legal advice. They get jurisdiction because for one, if you sign that birth certificate, right?
Right.
Number two, they get jurisdiction if your child lives in the same state as you do.
Yep.
Number three, they get jurisdiction when they mail you that letter. And even if you return the sender, they still get you by jurisdiction because you ain't say nothing. Because sometimes silence means you consent and sometimes it don't. It all depends. If you let the shit linger, they keep sending you the shit. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's how they have jurisdiction over this shit. If you live there, you get mail there. You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
And they got jurisdiction over your baby mama. So when they have jurisdiction over her, they tell her, hey, all we need is some social security. We need some information. Provide us with this social security number, and you good. Which is perjury, by the way, fellas. She's committing perjury when she go down there and put your shit on that application. Okay? So, but that's how they get jurisdiction. But you have to rebut that presumption. Okay? You
All
got
right.
you got to rebut that. You want to add on, my brother?
All right. So let me break down the different kind of jurisdictions because we seem to got some people confused all over the internet and YouTube, about what jurisdiction is. Okay. In addition to what my brother Wasil said, I'm gonna break down subject matter jurisdiction. All right. Now, subject matter jurisdiction deals with the power of the court to hear cases of this kind, which is pretty much family, domestic, you know what I'm saying? Like criminal law court would not have subject matter jurisdiction to hear divorce cases. Now, similarly, a divorce decree rendered by a court without subject matter jurisdiction over divorces is void. In some states, divorce and other family law cases are heard in a special division or section of trial courts. Other states have established separate family law or domestic relation courts that have subject matter jurisdiction in this area of law. Now, I'm going to get to a point here, okay? I'm going to skip over something because I want to get something real, real important here, okay? Let me read the real most important part when it comes to subject matter jurisdiction. So basically, that just means the court has the power to hear a particular subject. But let me get this part right here. Federal courts will, however, hear some family tort cases. Let me repeat that again. Family courts will, however, hear some family tort cases. Example given: one spouse sues the other for fraud. Let me say that again. One spouse sues another for fraud. And some child support enforcement cases. A father is prosecuted for failure to pay child support, right? So when the parties involved are from different states, such cases are relatively rare. But the key word is, again, you gotta get that baby mama. One spouse sues another for fraud, okay, and some child support enforcement cases. So if you've been locked up for child support, and you know what I'm saying, and 9 times out of 10 they do it wrongfully. You know what I mean? So federal court is a remedy. All right. I mean, because you got some people that tell you not to go to federal court, but I'm telling you, this ain't the child support manual. This is their training book, and I'm telling you, It says federal courts will, however, hear some family tort cases. So the federal courts do have subject matter jurisdiction. All right. Any questions on that?
Well, let me elaborate on that. Let me
Go
elaborate
ahead, bro.
on that first. And then too, you got more than just subject matter. You got concurrent. You got general jurisdiction.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? You got what's the other jurisdiction? You have
There's a few more here.
yeah.
You know, uh, let's talk about in rem jurisdiction. All
Yes.
right. Now, see, some of these words, some of these dudes ain't never heard of. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
In realm jurisdiction, the power of the court to make a decision affecting the res, which is a thing, object, or status. In divorce action, the res is the marriage status, which is located in any state where one or both spouses are domiciled. Like Wasil said, if you are a resident of the state, guess what? In realm jurisdiction. A state with in realm jurisdiction, because of this domicile, has the power to terminate the marriage. Another kind of jurisdiction is personal. We'll get into that in a little bit. If a court in in-rem jurisdiction does not have personal jurisdiction, it will not have the power to grant alimony, child support, or property division. It can only dissolve the marriage. Okay? Did y'all get that? Look, if they don't have personal jurisdiction, the only thing the state can do in your marriage is dissolve it. It cannot make you pay child support. It cannot do property division. It cannot make you pay alimony. A court lacks in rem jurisdiction if it renders a divorce judgment when neither party has domiciled in the state. Such a judgment is not entitled to full faith and credit. All right. Therefore, the state is not required to enforce a divorce judgment. All right, and I'm gonna let y'all kind of use y'all brain to figure out ways to put yourself into that non-jurisdictional category when you marry somebody in the same state. I'll let y'all figure that out.
Well, let me
All
let
right,
me let me intervene. All right, hold
go
on.
ahead, brother.
Hey y'all, marriage is not bad. Okay, we're not telling y'all if y'all want to get married. If y'all don't, marriage ain't bad. But you know what? Y'all people using marriage for the wrong thing.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Even though you're supposed to get married, y'all heard this. You're supposed to get married, but you were 50, get all your fucking out and all that old shit. So they had to worry about because when the bitch get old, she ain't like these young hoes out here playing games. Can I get an
Right.
amen?
Amen.
These young hoes be playing games because they talk to the next hoe, right? Oh, good, I wouldn't be doing this and doing that. You let him do you like that?
Right.
You see what I mean? See, it's these old hoes out here pushing these young hoes to do this child support shit because I have some talk to somebody about that shit. You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
So that child support shit is coming from these motherfucking old hoes, man. These old no good, dirty. Check this out. Now you got all these black hoes out here want a black nigga to fight for them and shit when this white dude is whooping her ass. But what about the bitch going down to the jailhouse to go petition to go get the brothers out of jail?
Right.
Huh? Shit, if the woman is God, why God got to keep bleeding once a month?
That's right.
Why God need to go get somebody to throw you in jail? Huh?
That's facts.
Come on, man. Woman ain't no damn God. That's a fraud. You know what I mean?
The black man is God. The
Shit.
more black man is God.
But anyway, back to what I'm saying. The jurisdiction. We got diversity too. You know what I mean? Then you got my favorite, which would be getting y'all is that long arm jurisdiction. That strong arm jurisdiction where your ass in another state and somebody else in another state and they petition, they petition with this state, aka sister state, to fuck with you, and they got you in a different mind state when they send that paperwork to your mailbox.
That's right.
So that paperwork is what? That shit is spiritual. Because this is how you know that paperwork is spiritual. Because you start looking at that piece of paperwork and you say, damn, I got a warrant. I got this. Fuck. So it gets down into your spirit and your soul, and you get to worrying because you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know how to battle with spirituality. You know what I mean?
Yep.
It's all spiritual, fellas. If it's in your gut, if it's going against your gut, then it's wrong. You know what I mean? If it's going against what you believe in, your faith, your belief, because we all have a way of belief. If child support is not your belief, then you ain't gotta pay it. But if you say,
Right.
man, I love my children, man, I want to pay, and then pay it. But we finna move on. We don't talk about jurisdiction. Let's get on this scheme of things. Let's get on these driver's license schemes. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Child support is a scheme. Child support is a scheme to scheme you out of your legacy. And the way you want to look to all the 10 out here in this room, peace to the 10. To the 10 folks in this room, the best way to win a war, you know the best weapon to use to win a war? The best
What's
weapon
that?
to use to win a war is you using a woman. What's up? You use a woman. You use the bitch. You
Mm-hmm.
use the bitch. You know what I mean? So the state come knock your bitch, not just to the state, the old hoe come knock your bitch too and knock the laws of your household. So it's all a fucking scheme to get you to forget yourself, to kill yourself, to say fuck it and become a fucking slave.
Right.
Because when you apply for that license, exactly, turn around, because when you apply for that license, they didn't tell you that shit. When you apply for that barber's license, they didn't tell you that shit. When you apply for that real estate license, they didn't tell you about this shit about child support, because if they would have told you, hey, you sign this, if you sign this is within the state, you're going to have to pay child support. Now tell me, y'all wouldn't have been signing for that shit, right? Exactly.
They wouldn't have signed it.
So check this out, fellas. If somebody asking you to sign something, that means they ain't got shit. They want you to grant them some power for some shit. Can I get an amen? Think about that.
Amen.
You gotta put y'all thinking caps on while y'all on this motherfucker. If somebody asks you to sign something, that means they ain't got the power in the first motherfucking place to do what they supposed to be doing.
That's right. They asking you.
They asking you. You know what I mean? When somebody asking you for something, they don't have shit. I call it begging, because I'm gonna tell you something. The state promised these hoes all this cash and all this stuff. You know what I mean? Right? They promised her that shit, right?
Mm-hmm.
But they didn't tell her it was gonna be some shit down the line that she gonna have to pay for an answer to, and she gonna accept the liability. They ain't tell that hoe that. That hoe was just looking at the money, like Eve. Eve looked at that apple because that motherfucker was shining, right?
Right.
And she knew it was good, but God told her bitch ass not to go down there and take that apple. But what the bitch do? She said, fuck God. I ain't got time to listen. I'm hungry. I want that goddamn apple. Fuck Adam too. Fuck it. It's all about me, me, me.
That's right.
So what I'm saying to you, fella, when she go down there and fill out that application, she's saying it's about her, not these children. And she's saying, fuck you, because that agency will give her power to do what the fuck she want to do without you going to address her, because she said, hey, fuck this nigga. He ain't got no army. He ain't got no police. He ain't got no sheriff. It's that little old nigga by himself. So fuck him. I'm gonna go get this child support on this nigga. Now you can go and add to that, my brother.
I mean, come on, man. It's all common sense, people. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we on here to try to make you use your brain. I mean, y'all need to get up out of your feelings and your emotions. I mean, because the enemy, you're sleeping with the enemy right now.
Right. Peace, New Life Entertainment. Exactly. Let me elaborate on that. You sleeping with the enemy. Because I was guilty. I was guilty with that shit too. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. I was guilty with it too. Going to see, I'm gonna build up a bitch like me. Fellas, we can't build up ragged ass hoes. Let's just keep that 100. Okay, we got on child support when I was going through child support. When I got on it, I was trying to build up some raggedy motherfuckers trying to take them to the promised land. But like, fuck, I learned that they weren't built for it. That's why they ran to the motherfucking agency.
That's right.
Just like the young brother that passed, right? I'm gonna use the young brother that passed. I'm not gonna say his name because we ain't clout chasing. But you know the young brother that passed that was 33, right? He tried to bring some ragged ass niggas to the other side. Now, nigga, what you do when you become rich? You set aside, you make a business for them people, and you leave and don't come back. And you wait till they build their shit up. You know what I mean? Just like Walmart, okay? Walmart is so cold, they got all these businesses in different places. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You can't bring raggedy hoes where you going. If you a high caliber, everybody in this room is a high caliber dude. You can't bring a bitch along with you if she ain't got the same ambition and the same thought and the same everything you got and you want. Because if she think that you supposed to take care of her, she got that mistaken. My mama's 63 years old, fellas, and she worked. What's your baby mama excuse? You seen the video we just put out where the bitch ain't got no, not a bitch, God, Lord, creator forgive me. That woman with no legs, she jumping in the truck, dog.
With a skateboard.
With a skateboard. She building a Camaro engine. She ain't got no legs. That's why I don't pay child support, man. Your baby mamas will find a way. These bitches will find a way to get some money, but they scheming on you so they can have an easy life through going to go apply for a loan called child support.
Yeah, and let me tell y'all something, man. Y'all need to stay away from these women who love to get into accounting because all they want to do is count your money.
Yes.
Stay away from these chicks that, I want to get into accounting and medical coding, man. Leave them chicks alone.
Yes. If y'all gonna get y'all some bitches, go after them goddamn divorce hoes who got some money. Go take your money. Go take your empire back, fellas. We're gonna give you some game today. Go get your shit back. Run this game. Put that dick on. Tell them you love them. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell them you love them. You so beautiful, baby. Do her like she did you. Yeah, it's time to reverse this shit, fella. Get your goddamn money back. You know what I mean? Look, we guarantee you over here at Sham Stoppers, you can get your money back.
That's right.
You can get it. And if she wears scrubs, hospital scrubs, leave that bitch alone. Run from them hoes, man. Don't fuck with no bitch who trying to go to school. Get with a bitch who done with school. Okay?
Right.
Make her take care of you because y'all the fucking kings. The bitch supposed to be taking care of y'all's ass, not you supposed to be taking care of her. You been lied to.
Mm-hmm.
She's supposed to bathe your balls when you get in that goddamn tub. That's how you know it's skin if she ain't bathing you. Shit. Stay away from customer service rep bitches.
Oh, yeah, stay away from that one.
All y'all kings in here, man, y'all need to start walking like it. Fuck talking like it. Make a bitch. Hey, if a bitch want to go out on a date, make the bitch pay.
Hey, what's them questions them chicks used to ask back in the day? Where you see yourself in 5 years? Man, ask that whole the same thing.
Ask the bitch
see yourself in 5 years.
Yeah. Shit, I was watching. Check this out. I was watching Game of Thrones. You gotta be, fellas. We finna show y'all how to be quick with it. They asked the little dwarf on Game of Thrones, and y'all need to go watch that shit. Y'all start learning more game. Check this out. They finna get the little dwarf, right? And they told him, "How would you like to die?" He said, "I want to die with a horse cock in my mouth." Real talk.
Right.
And then too, ask a bitch what her credit score is.
Mm-hmm.
Ask a bitch what her credit score is. But now, fellas, you need to start charging these hoes for your time. Because I'm going to tell you something. You're more valuable than a bitch. because the reason why you're more valuable than a bitch because you can protect yourself. She can't. You can rob the hoe and take her shit. Who she gonna run to? Oh, she got to go get the police.
Yep.
You can put up a fight for your shit though, right?
That's right.
See, that's her scheme. Her scheme is to feed off your weakness and emotions and feelings behind her ass. Oh, this nigga said he loved me and this and that. Oh, he said he gonna do this and buy me flowers. See, look, like my nigga Kish said, like what Kish said, you supposed to reward your bitch once a month, my nigga. Okay? Reward her off her performance. And I'm gonna tell you something too.
That's the pimp way.
Exactly. That's the only way. Either y'all gonna be pimp, you know what I mean? What he say? Takes a wolf to catch a wolf. Exactly. Exactly, man.
But a lot of y'all ain't being wolves in these courtrooms. I'm gonna leave it at that.
Hey, check this out. When y'all go in these courtrooms, the rule of court, y'all need to dress up when y'all go in these courtrooms. Get live in that bitch. Put on the bitch shit you got. Because you're going to not just in a business meeting, you're going to an appointment. You got an appointment with some hoes, and then y'all need to start getting some hoes numbers when y'all going there. What's up, babe? How you doing? You looking
right?
You know what I mean? That's the number one rule of the court. When they tell you when y'all go to court, you dress business attire, and that's how you know it's a business meeting.
And stop going there like you got money.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Stop flashing and telling on yourself and making yourself look like a target.
Right. Me, if I went to court, shit, I'd be like, shit, I'm coming here too. I want some money too. What's up?
That's right. You can buy me a new jacket.
But anyway, let me get back on the schemes of these hoes.
Okay, let's do it.
The schemes of these hoes, and I told y'all, I've been reading a lot of news. A lot of niggas finna be getting locked up because they sat down and let that child support shit linger.
Yep.
Like you waited like 10 years or so, you still can get off child support and beat it and fight it. But they coming after y'all. These hoes ain't playing because Trump fixed their ass. They coming after y'all, man. Whoever ain't fighting, they finna come look for something. Y'all gotta do y'all due diligence. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm gonna let you have the flow, my brother. Shit, I'm dry.
yeah. But back to what Wasil was saying, man. If y'all not fighting, I don't know if y'all know how contracts work or not, but if y'all been lingering, letting that shit linger on and not fighting, guess what? You acquiescing. You giving up the right. You know what I mean? If y'all going in there agreeing to pay the bitch, or you're going there with a smile, happily paying on your own and stuff, guess what they gonna do? Hey, you been paying. Why you got a problem now? If you're letting them dildo you in the ass, guess what? They're gonna keep on dildoing you in the ass. You need to fight.
Exactly. And what we mean by that, you acquiesce when you pay. And if you didn't sign anything, if you didn't sign anything and you still paying, they got you in a implied contract, my brother.
Right. You got to fight everything. You can't leave no stone unturned. And I'm going to tell you something. Everybody's going in there to lie on you. You know what I'm saying? They're using cliche hearsay. You know what I mean? You need to fight back for real. I mean, these people, man, they specialize in lying, man. And they coerce these women on what to say. I don't know if you read any of those applications, but it asked them, "Oh, has he been doing this or he been doing that?" I'm telling you, man, it's a criminal empire. But we stress, man, you got to fight, and what we mean by fighting, man, you got to read, you got to study. I mean, you can't be lazy. I mean, for real. Go ahead, bro.
And check this out. Let me tell y'all something. That video I just put up earlier today, it's a video. I'm gonna do a whole video on it. She tells you the whole game, and that's in California. It's in California how they doing right now in Cali, because Cali is being bankrupt and all these hoes. See, the reason why they trying to get these hoes this money, because niggas ain't gonna be wanting to fuck with them no more because they're gonna be labeled as a dirty bitch. Any bitch that got her dude on child support and you fuck with her,
leave her alone.
Take her money. Don't leave her alone. Take her money. Because I'm gonna tell you something, fellas. You can make a bitch pay for dick. I ain't
Let me reiterate. If you a simp, You know what I'm saying? She gonna take advantage of you just like she did the last dude.
Right. Right.
Don't fall in love with a bitch you got another nigga on child support. I'm telling you, leave that shit alone. Don't fall in love with her. Don't be trying to be with her long term.
Right. Fellas, I'm gonna tell
Just
you
get her
something.
for the money.
Get her for the money. I'm gonna tell y'all something, fellas. Only time you really supposed to fuck a bitch is when you're trying to build your legacy. You're trying to build an empire. It's okay if you got that itch, man. I need some pussy or something. You know what I mean? What I was taught, it's better to rent a hoe instead of buy a hoe. Okay?
Right.
Go to Instagram, you want some pussy. You want a quick fix. You know what I mean? And I'm telling you something, bitches ain't got no morals. When it comes to this money, if a bitch will shake her ass for $1, what you think she'll do to your ass?
Mm.
Can I get an amen? If a
Amen.
bitch get naked for $1, what you think she'll do to your ass? For $25, nigga, for that application. You know what I mean?
Woo-wee.
Yes,
She
man.
already got direct deposit set up on your ass from the get go.
Yeah. Yes, dude. These hoes ain't no good, man. It's all about money, fellas. And I want y'all to just think about it. It's all about money, and they here to throw your shit away. That's the only thing it's about.
Hey, I'm curious though. How many people in the chat had an attorney and let the attorney talk them into an agreeing with some shit? Be honest. I want to know.
We want to know how many of y'all got tricked by a fucking punk ass attorney.
Yeah, because you know that shit is malpractice.
Oh shit, you did? Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's bullshit, dog. Like I say, man. Like I say, y'all get shit in the mail. You can't ignore that shit. You know what I mean? Don't ignore nothing. Always look up shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you need
Yeah.
help, y'all know how to hit us up. 512-663-3815. You know what I mean? We got specials going on. So, like I said, let me get back to the scheme of these hoes.
Mm-hmm.
These hoes are so dirty.
How dirty are they?
These hoes so dirty. They'll have her brother now try to fight you and make them believe that you got to pay them some child support.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
They'll try
Been
to.
there, done that.
She'll put her brothers on you. All that shit, dog. It's just schemes, man. Child support schemes. They got jurisdiction. If you live in the same town, if you sign a birth certificate, the bitch snitched on you. If the bitch snitched on you, they got jurisdiction, man. We just gonna
Yep.
keep it all the way 100.
Yep.
And you gotta fight. You know what I mean?
I mean, plus let's be honest, you're gonna have to give up some jurisdiction to fight. And that's the only time you give up jurisdiction is to fight. You know what I'm saying? You don't give them jurisdiction for nothing else. You know what
Yeah,
I mean? You deny, you refuse, you object, because you have a right to defend yourself. Let that be the only jurisdiction the court has is for you to defend yourself. But other than that, man, they got so many circles they can pull around you to get jurisdiction. Y'all
yeah,
might as well just stop trying to fight that part.
right, right.
These dudes tricking you, talking about mail the shit back and everything. Guess what? You just provided an answer just by mailing it back.
Yep. You just said it's okay for me to be on child support when you send that mail back. You know that,
Yep.
right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you said. So
There's only one person who can send that mail back, and that ain't you.
who is it, my brother?
It's the mailman.
Y'all hear
The
that?
post office. Only the post office can send stuff back without you being liable. Y'all mailing that shit back? Y'all stupid. Stop.
Right. Just like Kish said, just ask for the money when they want you in court.
That's right.
Ask for the money, my nigga. Y'all
Reverse it on them.
reverse it on. Oh, we hear about money? Okay, wait a second. I want to get paid too. I like money too.
When they ask you how much you can pay or whatever, like I would like to receive. That's how you tell them.
Yes, yes.
That's
I
how
would
you
like
do
to
it.
receive. I ain't trying to give nothing. I got some dick for sale if you want some of that. Okay? But don't say that in the courtroom.
Yeah. Don't do that.
Don't say that. You know, I got some, you got some for sale, some goddamn pleasure for sale, you know what I mean?
Right.
Fellas, this is all about you. They in there for they fighting over your dick, your penis, your cum. That's what they fighting over, you know? Shit. Hey man, freedom, look at freedom, facts and freedom, man. Facts and freedom, King Kish, man, he done all this shit. He ain't have to do none of this shit. When I tell look, like I say, he went in that courtroom with a goddamn smile and walked out with a smile, having everybody slam. And I was like, wow. I said to myself, I did too fucking much. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But shit, now that I know now that we know now, this child support shit is easy, fellas. It's easy. It's a piece of fucking cake. But the child support scheme and their job is to make you get in reverse psychology and make you think it ain't, making you think you committed murder and shit.
Right.
Oh, then we hit y'all with something?
Uh-huh.
They make you feel like you committed murder with the child support.
Uh-huh.
That's how they got you feeling like you guilty. Right?
That's right.
Exactly. Dude, I cuss bitches out on the daily. You hear me? I cuss bitches out on the daily. They get disrespectful. I mug the shit out of a bitch. I don't hold the door for no bitch. None of that. Right. You know what I mean?
So what we got on the headlines? What's the child support agencies and meetings about? What we got on the headlines?
Okay, the headlines, the child support meetings is that they're gonna be looking to increase and make these guys pay more child support and be more of a slave. The guidelines.
Mm-hmm.
They coming after you, fellas. They coming after. That's all I'm gonna say.
Mm-hmm. You know? And this is a recent meeting too, so y'all better start fighting.
So if you got people showing up with paperwork they gonna send to these people, you know what I mean? And then your ass, and if somebody buy them, they having meetings for this stuff, fellas. They having meetings for us right now. They having meetings for us right now in this chat, for this chat. There's probably one of here listening, you know? Mm-hmm. And by them being in this chat room, they're going to go and report back and say, hey, I got a way we can defeat these fucking radical motherfuckers that's trying to fight us. Because they say I'm radical. I'm not radical. I'm gnarly and tubular. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a tubular dude. I'm a
Ninja Turtle talk. That's that Ninja Turtle talk.
Exactly. Shit. I am a Ninja Turtle, goddammit. Shit. The turtle always wins.
Heroes in the half shell.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Shit. Dirty assholes out here, man. I know y'all tired of hearing this shit. You know?
We're going to keep saying it till they get it, man. I mean, I just read to them that federal courts will entertain suits against the other spouse for torts. What more do I got to say?
Federal court is your remedy, niggas. Shit. Federal court, and because check this out. You try to settle in the state court, so the state going to incriminate themselves like, yeah, you beat us. You won. Fuck it. You mean to tell me they going to let that state money go to settle? This is what they'll do. They'll probably give your little ass a little refund. Let's get a little bitch ass nigga a little check, make him feel good. Oh,
and take it back.
And take it right back. No, nigga. No.
You know what? Let me expound on that, bro. Look, these people trying to help y'all get your license back, trying to get y'all a little check. Let me tell you something. They don't care because they know they're going to keep taking money from you. Let me tell you something. Okay, it's good to get your license back, all that stuff, but if you ain't fighting the main issue, they go keep coming after you. You know what I'm saying? Quit dancing in your skirts because you got your license back. The battle ain't over.
The battle ain't over, man. As long as you had that baby by that bitch. You know what I mean? You gotta make her feel like she ain't shit, dog. Real talk, man, because she ain't your enemy, dog. Because I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna hit y'all with some real true facts. If God forbid, if something happened to you, an accident, you get into a bad accident, they gonna go get Social Security money off of you. That guy gonna get a check off of you.
Yep.
Right now. Shit, man.
Let me drop a jewel on y'all. The reason, let me tell you what long arm really means. Long arm means that you possess something that they can touch in every state you go to, and that's your social. That's the only way they got long arm.
And then too, fellas, the rules of the court. When they call you for a hearing, take your ass down there and see what the fuck they talking about. You won't be in no default, because I just read
your ass down there.
I've been read some shit about attendance. They do take attendance at these appointments. You know what I mean? You better try to make it. You know what I mean? Go see what they want. Be in honor with these people. Just because you know they not in honor, don't mean you ain't gotta be in honor.
Say that one more time for these Negroes out here mailing this shit back. Say that one more time for them.
Go to court, handle your business. Just because they not in honor, don't mean you ain't in honor. I'm telling you, fellas, y'all can end the court case when y'all go to court. You can end it that day. It's all on you. It's all in your mind. So a man thinking, so is he. That's what the Bible say. So what you think about right now, whatever you thinking, that's what you're going to manifest, and that's what you're going to get. So if you're around niggas who say you can't get off child support, and you already told this numbnut that, hey, man, get off child support. Oh, man, how you going to do that? You ain't going to do that. And you start believing what he's saying, that shit start registering in your heart and your mind and your soul, then that's a wrap for you, bro. Keep your thoughts and your victories to yourself, because everybody ain't like you. You know what I mean? Everybody ain't great like you. Everybody can't do what you do. All right?
Facts.
Yeah, that's why we got 16 people up in here. Because, look, everybody ain't going to get out child support till they realize they're a fucking man. I'm just giving it to you raw.
Boys ain't scary. Men are.
Thank you. Thank you, dog.
If she don't fear you, she gonna give over on you. Simple as that. Women don't do nothing to men they scared of.
It's her fault, fellas. Don't let nobody tell you it's the agency. It's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. There's not no agency, fellas.
Right. Whose fault is it? The person who hires the hitman or the hitman?
Ooh.
Whose fault is it? Who are you gonna blame?
Child support. Oh, that's a good video. Child support is the hitman. Look out for that one. And who hired the hitman?
Right.
I like that, G. Goddamn me. Shit. I like that shit, man. Child support is the hitman, man. They put a hit on your head for $25, but for 18 years of hell.
18 plus.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
18 plus years of holy hell, fellas. When they say I was locked up 22 months and they sent me a notification as soon as I got free. I didn't take the public pretender and spoke for myself. They tried to send me back to jail for 20 days for contempt. When was this, my brother?
Smokey, when was that, brother?
Okay, we'll wait till he answers. If she withdraws her child support request, the corporation. Oh, yesterday. Oh shit. Good job, my brother.
Yeah.
Good job. No jail. Okay, why? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I don't agree with that shit. That's against my religion. Going to jail behind not giving no bitch some free tax-free money. Ain't that the craziest shit y'all ever heard in this room?
Mm-hmm.
Nigga, that's just like Verizon coming up, throw y'all in jail, not for paying your neighbor's motherfucking cell phone bill. You know what I mean? Child support is retarded, man.
Man,
That shit
anything though.
crazy, dog. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna tell you something. The more and more you repeat the shit that child support is law, all the stupid ass people start repeating the shit, and they start believing it. And when you crush child support, you gotta crush it with disbelief. Okay, man, that shit ain't real, man. Fuck that. I don't owe you, nigga. Fuck you. You know what I mean? That's how you do it. Dispel it. You know what I mean?
Hey, you want me to touch on this religion concept here, man?
Touch on religion, my brother.
All right, let me explain how religion works in these fake courts, man. All right. Now, it's not your race, it's not your religion these people care about, because honestly, it's unconstitutional for them to prefer one religion over the other. But let me give y'all a secret: that your heritage is what they got to pay attention to. You get what I'm saying? So, say you live in a Mexican community, and you raise your child up in a Mexican community. You know what I'm saying? You and the woman split up. The court will look at your heritage and keep the child with you around the Mexican community. See, they got to honor your heritage. And see, Wasil knows this. In Old English law, and really even in common law, the man is the head of the household. You know what I'm saying? He is the one person when him and a woman get married, he's considered the one person. His heritage, his bloodline is what matters. See, y'all don't know these secrets, man. They got to honor your heritage, not your religion.
They got to. They got to honor your religion. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all find y'all a young cat who ain't on child support, who got everything going on, got his own businesses, that's why I deal with a young cat. I deal with kids. You know what I mean? Find you a young cat that knows that watch out for these hoes. Don't deal with shit. You know what I mean? Find a young cat, invest into them, holler at them. You know what I mean? Because these old ass, them old niggas that who ain't did shit for the community.
Nope.
Leave them niggas alone, dog.
Yeah. Get you a woman and bring her to your heritage. Bring her to your castle. You know what I'm saying? That way you can keep everything in your castle.
Bro, the sisters, the so-called African American sisters.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell y'all something about the so-called African American sisters.
Brother, tell them.
They not our sisters no more.
Nope.
That's a wrap. All the good sisters is dead in the ground, fellas.
Are they old and in a nursing home?
Are they old in nursing home? But these young strip hoes, they ain't no good. You got a lot of Mexican bitches. These Mexican bitches ain't no good too. They fall in the black holes, want to have ass and titties and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Then now you got the new age white bitch who want to have ass and titties and want to get with the black dude. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna tell you something. And you got some of these over the seas hoes over here coming over here, being scammers and shit. Fellas, guard your seed, guard your nut. All right. Look, do a background check on the bitch before y'all do anything. Look, bitch, how many niggas you done fuck? What you gonna be doing? I'm protecting you. You can't protect me. Give me your.
You know what?
Give me your
paycheck.
What's up?
You know what, brother? In regards to that overseas chick, if you do get your overseas chick, make sure she can't even speak good English.
Yeah.
Because the ones that can speak good English and they want to adapt to the American ways, and I'm gonna tell you from experience, because I avoided this. They want to get you on twice. They want to marry you just to become a citizen, and people don't know in a lot of those African tribes, it's a custom for them to have a child. Yeah. So they're gonna come over and get you twice.
Yes. If you find some bitches that's coming over here that's broke, leave them hoes alone. Fuck them and send them on their way, nigga. Look, if she don't want to pay, take her to. I ain't gonna tell y'all to go to McDonald's. Take her to. I ain't gonna take her there. Nigga, go to the grocery store and go get you a sandwich and some chips or something, or some wine.
DeAndre said,
nigga, and go pick up Brian. Because me, the first. Kid said, I did that. I'm gonna tell y'all, man. Check this out.
Brother
Every
Kish,
bitch that I
man.
used to meet, every bitch that I used to meet, because I was a horny motherfucker. Every bitch I used to meet, I used to say, hey, I'll take you to the movies after we get through fucking first. We gotta fuck first. I gotta have a taste test of this pussy. You're gonna suck my dick. You're gonna do something first before I waste my goddamn money. Okay?
Hey man, you got hoes out here who are serial daters. They
Serious?
can't eat. They
No.
can't eat unless somebody take them out on a date, and they just date hop and don't give you nothing, man. You better watch out for them serial daters.
No, them ain't serial daters. Dating means fucking people. People. Dating means fucking. Okay? Fucking or wasting time. It's
They
either
wasting your
dating
time.
means. You know what I mean? Because I'm gonna tell you something. If a woman really wants you, she finds you attractive, she gonna ask you when we fucking. Real talk. Or you ask her in the 5 minutes of the conversation, when are we fucking?
Right. Take that condom with you too. Don't leave it with her.
Yeah, and just look, take the condom with you. Don't come on her face. You know what I mean? Because she can say that cum, wipe it
Yep.
off her face, and put it in her coochie.
That's
Then
right.
you got a baby, then you on child support and shit. We're not telling none of y'all not to fuck and be gay. We telling y'all gonna fuck, be fucking serious about what you fuck. Be more aware now. You gotta be more aware of who you fucking. You know what I mean? And
Like
then
open your motherfucking mouth.
and
Open
on
your
top
mouth.
of
Stick your
that,
tongue out.
exactly. And on top of that, fellas, you gotta ask this bitch, has she been to the clinic? Bitch, when the last time you been to the clinic?
Man, please.
You got some bitches out here carrying some shit that you can't wipe off with a goddamn bath towel.
Especially if they coming overseas, man. You better have them in clinic.
And your baby mama, check this out. Do you know, fellas, it's some statues right now that if that new nigga around your child, he can pick up your child support bill and he can pay child support.
That's
What?
right. Yep.
Did y'all know that?
It's called the step parents clause.
Here, tell them again, G.
It's called the step parent clause. If you out here trying to be daddy to somebody else's kids or whatever, trying to earn points, hey, they can get you on child support as the step parent. I'm telling you,
We gonna
because
talk
you've been
about
in the child's life. You know what I mean?
right. We're gonna talk about step parent Sunday, fellas. Y'all gonna love that shit. We're gonna break down. We're gonna have I'm gonna read the laws on step parents. If you messing with a bitch and she got a nigga on child support, and if you leave her or y'all together, she can secretly put your ass on child support, and that shit will start all over again.
That's right.
That's why we tell y'all to get bitches who ain't got no children.
Uh-huh.
You know
Y'all
what I mean?
marrying these women who already got a ready-made family, y'all gonna regret that. Cause guess what? That ready-made family is your responsibility in their eyes. And she gonna try to harass you with it.
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
that's another thing we're gonna talk about on the next one. We're gonna talk about bad faith and harassment.
yes. But stepdaddies get stepped on, my nigga. And what more I say? They need that DNA. Exactly, brother. They need that DNA. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean? They need that DNA. All y'all, if y'all dealing with these child support people, you can get off. Don't let nobody tell y'all that. If somebody tell you that, they lying. Tell them, show them.
Look, DNA. Look, they want that DNA. They be like, yeah, you know what DNA is? We got this dumbass nigga again. That's what DNA is. That's what
hey,
DNA is.
hey, you need to patent that shit. What you said, dumbass nigga again? That's
Yeah, we got this dumbass nigga again. Give us that DNA.
man, that's cold, dude. Shit. Hey, like, look, I'm gonna hit y'all with something too. Check this out. Bitches supposed to bathe. They don't supposed to take showers. They supposed to be soaking the water, soaking the pussy, not hosing the pussy. Okay?
Right.
And the reason why y'all are, if y'all on child support, some of y'all ain't, but if the guys that's on child support, your baby mama don't douche, she don't use the right oil to soak that pussy. You know what I mean? Because a dirty pussy brings dirty thoughts. What's up?
That's right.
So if her pussy dirty down there, she got a dirty way of thinking. So she be like, hey, I'm gonna get this nigga. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get this nigga on child support. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga. Because if a bitch got a clean pussy, she got clean thoughts.
And you know what? We not just speaking metaphors and esoteric shit. That's true, man. That's true. If your body's dirty, it affects your mind. And that's truth.
Yeah, man, we giving y'all the shit today. We giving y'all the shit. If a bitch ain't got no dish bottle in her bathroom, take off. If she ain't got no books in her house, do not fuck her, dog.
If she don't like to take baths, yeah.
That should be in y'all religion. That should be in your Bible, the man Bible. Y'all need to make y'all rules and regulations to walk of life when y'all walking on this motherfucking planet, man. You know what I mean? Because these hoes will go fuck a nigga and turn around and say she ain't fuck nobody a day, 15 minutes before you come over and knock out the pussy.
Look, Andrew Gomez said he had to do a mouth swab. Man, look, let me tell you something. Anybody that can get you to submit to open your mouth so they can put something in and swab it, man, you need look. I don't know about that one, man. They would have to fight me for that.
Right.
Nah, ain't nobody talking me to open my mouth so they can put nothing in it. But you know, that's just us. You know what I'm saying? But you know, if they tricked you, they tricked you. But you gotta fight, brother. What William say? I seen women tell judges they don't want to put the man on child support, and the courts be trying to get them to do it. They just wanted to, yeah, they will talk and tell the woman what to say and everything. And if she's weak minded like that, then she's your enemy. She's going for that apple. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
the devil did the same thing to Eve.
Yeah, fellas, y'all gotta live y'all life like this Bible. The pimps live their life like the Bible, so that's why they don't have trouble. The only trouble, Bishop Don Juan survived so long, and Hugh Hefner survived so long. I'm gonna tell you how Hugh Hefner survived so long without child support. He had everything up under his Playboy, which is a trust. He had everything in that bitch.
Mm-hmm.
And Bishop Don Juan was so cold with it. You know what I mean? I did videos. He showed you about the Bible, but the Bible teaches you about how dirty a woman is and how you're supposed to keep your foot on her neck. You know what I mean? You got to, fellas. You got to read your Bible. Read your Bible. If you can't read no law books, get in this Bible, dude. You know what I mean? It tells you. I used to fall asleep when I was 19, 20 years old. I used to fast. I used to do all that shit. I used to be deep off in Christianity, man. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
In that Bible, man. The Bible it gives you blessings, all types of stuff, man. It can make you healthy and rich, fella. It can. It can, man. It got so many jewels and gems, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But yeah, man, anything you got to say else, brother? Because shit, I'm getting burnt out, goddamn it.
But yeah, I want everybody who's listening in the chat room right now to start going to these bookstores and hitting up all these law books you can find. I mean, because that's the only way y'all gonna beat this shit. I mean, if you don't work, it ain't gonna work. You know what I'm saying? We can only do so much, but you got 80% of the job to do. So if you want to win this, you gotta be proactive. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know how to read, you better learn how to read. If you keep falling asleep, keep reading till your brain get it. For real, this ain't no game out here. They keep having these meetings on y'all asses. They keep upping the ante on y'all asses. They keep coming up with new schemes, like my brother Wasil said. I mean, we keep up on this stuff. You got to read. You know what I'm saying? Get your tutor if you have to. I don't care. But yeah,
check this out.
Go ahead, brother.
My bad. I didn't mean to cut you off, but I did. But check this out. On the scheme shit, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. They don't give a fuck what you're going through. And they don't care what you heard. They don't care what you learned off YouTube. They're already studying for this shit now. No matter what. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Panic Eater. He said they violated his Fourth and Fifth Amendments, and then he was ran over. Yeah. How was your Fourth and Fifth Amendment violated? That's the problem people can't answer right there.
Right.
Yeah. Tell us how your Fourth and Fifth Amendment was violated.
Right.
You know, 8 out of 10 people can't explain it right.
Right. But like we say, fellas, y'all gotta do y'all due diligence. I can get on here and fuss and cuss, give you hope. You know what I mean? I want to say up with dope and down with hope. God damn it, get you a blunt. You know what I mean? Get you a blunt, smoke a. I'd rather see you smoke a blunt or drink you a beer
Right.
than go out here and kill a bitch
Right.
because she ain't worth killing. A woman ain't worth killing, dog. I'm just gonna be honest with you. She ain't worth it because you got a bunch of women out here that do what the fuck you tell her to do. You know what I mean? Ain't no bitch perfect though, but I'm telling you what though, she will do.
Yeah. He said they compelled him to give DNA. Okay. All right. How did they compel you? See, you see where I'm going? If I have to keep asking you questions on how to prove your Fourth and Fifth Amendment was violated, you're not hitting the mark. Now I'm asking you how they compel you to give DNA. See, I did that for a reason. You got to be able to articulate and tell these people exactly what they did to you. See, that's a conclusion right there. They don't do conclusions. See,
Right,
I'm teaching you something.
right.
I have to keep asking you how they violate your Fourth and Fifth Amendment right. You know what I'm saying? You said compel me to give DNA. I'm gonna look at you, like, all right, how they do that? See, I'm telling you, you're not doing it right. But I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave that alone right now.
Duress and coercion.
Who said that?
Jamil.
Okay. Same with you. Same with you. That's conclusions. How did they put you on a duress and coercion? See, you see what I'm saying? I shouldn't have to ask you questions on how they did something. I'm trying to make y'all think. See, we on this podcast, man. We trying to educate y'all. You know what I'm saying? We just not trying to waste your time. You know what I'm saying? We've been doing this for a long time. We've been studying this.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
we ain't gonna tell you, we ain't gonna give you we ain't gonna give you the answers. You gotta think, because if we gotta give you the answers to everything, you ain't gonna win, because you gotta be able to battle on your own.
Hey now. Hey now, let me read the definition of scheme for y'all.
Let's do it. Do it.
A design or strategy to accomplish a purpose. Scheme to defraud. Right? Plot, conspire, manipulate, and plan. You know what I mean? They planning for y'all, fellas. These women, the reason why they gonna have y'all pay more child support because these women can't take care of themselves. You know she can't take care of herself. Woman can't take care of herself because she can't defend herself.
Right.
If a woman tell you she independent, okay, bitch, if you independent, show me you can have a baby. Tell her show she can have a baby but without a cop. Because that's what independent means.
Right. Look. Pan Eater said, I just said it, with 6 months of jail time. Okay, I'm gonna pick on you again. He said they threatened him with six. See, look, they threat. Who the heck is they? See, you're not saying it right. See, I gotta keep asking you questions. If you don't know who they is, then what did they say to you? How did they say it? You get what I'm saying? You're not thinking. Everybody go to the bookstore, high price books or whatever, and get a book on legal writing or something. Get something. Civil rules of procedure, like we talked about earlier. Get something. You know, help us help you. How about that? You know what I'm saying, Wasil?
Yep.
Because I'm personally getting tired of people not putting in work, and then when shit hit the fan, they want to blame somebody. You know what I mean? No,
Right.
it's no more of that. No more of that. Ain't no more of this blame game. If you don't work, it ain't gonna work. We ain't got time for it.
Well, fellas, how long we been on this motherfucker?
I don't know, but I think it's too long. We gave them enough.
Well, fellas, we're gonna talk about step parents come Sunday. Y'all be ready for that. Step parents. How
Yeah.
step parents can be put up on child support. You know what I mean? Step parents can be put on child support at any time. And then too, if you got a nigga raising your child, you can make that nigga pay.
That's
You know,
right.
because
He
step
said,
parents,
what did he say?
step
No,
parents,
no, go ahead, bro. I'm sorry.
Step parents are made to be stepped on. But just because we quote you a law don't mean they're gonna enact it.
Or it's used for your purpose.
Yeah. We can tell y'all all the laws and these motherfuckers, you know what I mean? They got an army, man. I'm just gonna be honest with you. They got an army of no good bitches, niggas. You know what I mean? So
Stay off Google. Somebody said, "You familiar with Jamboard's free Google online that help us look? Get books. Internet is just a supplement. Get books because you will not find what you're looking for on the internet." To my brother here, who is that? Double Owl, whatever. Get books.
right. Well,
You
yeah,
know, and
fella. It's getting 16 people now. We get a lot of people left. We had it hot, you know what I mean? What else you gotta say? People need to read and hold your nuts. What books do you suggest? Any law books in the law section, wherever you go.
yep.
Any law books.
Get books for your state,
Better
civil
yet,
rules.
check this out. Go to the beginning of my video, our videos, Sham Stoppers. Y'all got, I know it's 1,000 videos, a lot of videos. Fuck.
Man, you gave up so many books doing those first videos, man. That's how I started building my collection up.
Yeah, man. Go hit those books, man. Y'all good though, man. Just watch out. This year, summertime coming. These children gonna be out of school. They finna be hitting y'all ass up for jail time if you ain't
Yep.
doing nothing. And if you need help, you know where to come, all right? If you need help, y'all know where to come.
Except books dealing with business. Yep. All that stuff.
Everything is what we do is business, fellas. Don't forget that. It's all business, nothing personal.
No emotions, no pleasure, business.
Yes. Yes. You know what I mean? So we've been on here since for an hour.
Yeah, it's been about an hour, 6 minutes.
And I hope y'all enjoyed this shit. I don't know if some more people gonna come on. We got 17 fellas in the chat room. Now we got 15. Just dropped.
You know they'll be back.
Oh, it's all good. They supposed to
Yeah.
come back.
Yeah, you know they're gonna be back. It's okay, rewind it, play it.
Yeah. Yeah, fellas. Guard your nuts. Don't trust what a bitch say. Trust what she do. Stay away from niggas who ain't got the same aspects and aspirations as you do. And you gonna make it. Okay? Keep your
And
circle the size of a fucking period.
that's right. And look, when you are fighting this bitch, stay away from her so she won't get you up on these false claims and shit. Like, oh, you try to choke me or something like that. She's your enemy. Stay away from her.
Y'all hit them. Y'all hit the like button. You know what I mean? Because we're gonna come up with some more shit that you like. So hit the like. Be sure y'all hit that like button. You know what I mean? Because some people do feed off likes. Just hit them, man. Y'all like the shit.
Yeah.
Do whatever y'all want. You know what I mean? Share the shit. What else he put? We about to sign off. Anything you got to say, my brother?
I'm good, brother. We done gave him a lot right now to think about. You know what I'm saying? Replay it. You know what I'm saying? And try to learn something. Think for yourself.
Right. Sunday, we going hard Sunday. So y'all be ready Sunday. We going hard Sunday. Step parents to get stepped on.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Y'all gotta have some shit in writing when y'all fuck with these women that got children already.
Man, tap dancing on them.
You know. Everybody, peace. Y'all have a blessed night. We ain't gonna take up all your time. I know y'all gotta do some shit. Stay safe, all right?
Peace.
Peace.